What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Micro Futures Trader YouTube channel. Taking a look at XRP this morning. Start this video off over on coinmarketcap.com. Guys, welcome to the channel. XRP sitting in the number 5 spot. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB all sitting ahead of XRP. XRP currently down 12.5% in the last 7 days, according to coinmarketcap.com. Bitcoin dominance sitting up there at 48.7%. Fear and greed, neutral. Wow, sitting right at the 50 number. Trending, WorldCoin, XRP sitting in number 2 actually on the trending. XBALD, BALD, that would be up 160%. Let's take a look at that, guys. 160% in the, or 130 actually in the last 24. That's XBALD. Well, at least XRP is sitting in front of that. Let's head over to the charts, guys. Take a look at what's going on, discuss a couple things, and wrap this video up. Welcome all of the new subscribers. Appreciate all you guys out there. So XRP has been on a nice, very nice pullback here, down 2.05% currently on today's candle, after putting in a major lower high at 82,485. Ultimately, the high of this whole move came in right at 94,770 level, right here on the money, guys. That was the top tick. 86,960 resistance, 82,485 resistance. Not only once, but 2, 3, 4 times. And then that was the major lower high. So if we take a look at this, we have the high of the move right here. Pullback, higher low, no trouble yet. Lower high, warning signs going off. Pullback, another lower high, and then we get the lower low waterfall move to the downside. So I have a couple levels here that I want to talk about on the chart. So a full move to the downside, which I have been looking for here, would be 6450, 0.60450. That would be this pink line on the chart, guys. We haven't quite gotten there this morning. We're very close. We hit the 61,060 level. So today's low was 61 on the money. The 60450 is slightly lower than that. I don't know if we'll get there. We're keeping an eye on it. But this move is starting to get to some kind of a bottom here. And it might only be short term. But we're getting a little extended to the downside. It is dropping like a rock. It's like a waterfall. And we're very close to hitting our 6450 target. So we'll see. Now, I do have another one down there at 57,190. There's no guarantee it'll be hit. So far, we haven't even hit the 6450 level. But those are the two I am watching. I think if we do hit those, if not get close, we should see some kind of a bounce to the upside. XRP, we have this wedge up, sell off. And then you get a pretty sharp move to the downside. We saw this over here. Wedge up, sell off, and then pretty sharp red candle right into a higher high and higher low, etc. So that is what I am looking for. If you take a look back here, XRP has found support in this area previously. Over in here, although it was, ultimately undercut, it did act as support. This 60 450, 610, 60 area was support over in here in 2022. Acted as a little bit of support, then flipped into resistance, as well as in 2022. Same thing over here. Basically double bottomed in and around that area. We actually went quite a bit lower, all the way down to the 56.24 level. So we're keeping an eye on that, guys. Now, there is a chance, like I said, that we could get all the way down to 57.190, but I think we'll see some kind of a bounce at 64.50 if we even get there. So far, we only hit our 61.060 level, with the bottom being in at 60 cents. And the reason why is this breakout zone right here, which is at basically 55, 56, 57 cents right in here. We have a high there. We also have another high here. And we talked about this, go back before the breakout. And I said, look, the price can get up to that 55, 56, 57 zone. Heads up, it could break through that in a very powerful way, which we saw. You know, this was a 73% day for XRP. So we're getting a pullback. We'll see if we get all the way back and test the breakout zone, the major highs that broke out, and test that as a floor of support now before the price can continue back to the upside. But there is no denying that XRP is in a clear downtrend right now. And until that changes, until it proves itself that the downtrend's over, we're about to flip to the upside, then, you know, it's tough here. What I mean by that is, so far we have so if we take a look back to the left-hand side of the screen here, we have lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Basically an equal high, higher low, warning signs going off that the price could get ready to move to the upside, and then higher high. So let's take a look at what's going on currently. We have the lower high right into resistance, 82,485. Pullback, basically an equal low. Lower high, warning signs going off. Started to fade a little bit. Bottom broke out. Lower low. The trend is clearly to the downside. We have two sets of lower highs, and now we have two sets of lower lows. So what do we look for next? Well, we look for something, one of two things. A rally up into a lower high, so we're still in a downtrend. A pullback, higher low, warning signs going off, potential change in trend, and then we get that higher high, giving us that change in trend back to the upside. That's one way it can happen. It can also happen like this, guys. And let's not forget, this is XRP. XRP could also just rocket out of here into a higher high, taking out these levels right here. But we still want to see that pullback to a higher low. And then we should continue back to the upside. So we'll see what happens here. We are very close to a level that we had on the chart that we, knew was possible down to get there, and that was 0.60450. That's this pink line on the chart. So far, we hit our yellow line, and there is still that outlier chance here that we could get down to 57190. So that would be a full test of the breakout. That would take away a lot of these gains right here, although we have given most of them back, at least for now. I think XRP and the market will continue back to the upside at some point, but hey, this is the game. So keep your eye on 60450, 61060, and if those fail, if they just continue to pull the plug, 57190, next line I am watching. And I am watching these because I think they are decent areas to see the price find support, and they could potentially be areas to add to a position. And that is not financial advice, guys. Just like these levels up here act as resistance and areas to lock in profits, 94,770, 86,960, 82,485. Look how the top came in there. Very nice. Same goes down here, but the opposite. So that would be to add to a position or take a position. So that's my thoughts on XRP. We're watching this pullback. It looks like it's getting a little overdone. So I do expect some kind of a bounce here. How long it lasts, well, time will tell. Let's head over to the 3-minute time frame. Get rid of this. So you can see we pulled down very nice to the 61,060 level. I mean, perfect. We are getting a little rally here. We'll have to see how high this goes. You know, it could easily just get up to 63, roll back over, and undercut 6160 and take us down to that 60,450, which isn't too much lower than where, you know, the current market found its bottom. And then we have that 57,190 showing its head down there. So as we take the stairs and the elevator, a little combination of the stairs, the elevator, the stairs, the elevator down. Let's see how we recover here, and if and when we recover, and where that comes in according to our price lines on the chart. So that's my thoughts, guys. Let's take a jump over to BTC, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still holding tight there, basically pinned at that 29,143.22 level. A little bit lower now than that, but that is our current resistance. That's this white line on the chart. I don't know if they're going to pull the plug on Bitcoin or not, but if they do, 28,249.67 is a level I am watching. It was major resistance right here. We broke out of it basically on the 21st of June. Got up to 31,573 area, give or take. And we are just sitting right here. So if we do pull back, 28,249 is a potential stopping zone. If that fails, 26,023. If these hold and we start to rally, you know, I watch my lines above the market. I still have my target up there at 34,293 when we start to rally here. So that is it. Bitcoin sitting quieter than something like XRP. Casper got a very nice breakout yesterday. Go check that video out. I'll get to an update over the weekend for that. Guys, all links down in the video description. Does help support the channel. Appreciate it. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here. Let me know your thoughts on XRP down in the comments. All right, take care.